Okay, I am thinking about detoxing, and it's all about losing the extra 5 or 6 pounds or 10 if you have that to lose. At the same time, I want to feel good. I want to chase the health, right? And so chasing the health is so important. Everyone that knows this channel, I pretty much eat just 1 meal a day. So I didn't think it would be so exciting for you guys to see 1 meal, but there are days that I will eat 2 meals. And in this case, I'm going to share my 2 meals that I eat as well as detoxing at the same time. I have smoothie that I like, and I have a great big salad that I want to share with you. But these are things that I've been doing to lose weight and help me do it in a gradual way. Okay, I don't want to be those people that are too talky and doing too much, but it's about to detox and lose a few pounds. Let's get going. So what I put in my smoothie was a little extra something. I was sent this sea moss, and I've always been curious about trying it. And sea moss is just this phenomenal superfood that has over 92 minerals alone, and it's reducing the inflammation as well as giving you the vitamins like the B12s and the K and the A vitamins. And so I'm just trying to find whole food products that would give me the vitamins that I need without always supplementing in a synthetic way. I think that makes sense to you guys, right? Because we've been trying to get whole foods, eliminate the processed foods, also eliminate anything that's just chemicals, right? We don't need the extra chemicals. I'm gonna leave a link below if you like to check out the sea moss, because this is 100% pure. So you can put it in any type of drink. And especially in my case, I'm putting it in my smoothie today. And I'm gonna try this out for the next week or so and see how that goes. Pretty cool, right? I haven't tried this before, and everybody's like, well, get with it. You have a health channel, right? So try these different holistic type of foods. Enough talking. It's in the link. We have a total of 102 minerals in our human body, and the sea moss is 92 of those minerals. So that's huge. And that's what makes this such a huge superfood, if you will. So yeah, let's see how everything tastes. So I figure I'm gonna try my frozen mangoes. I'm gonna also do ginger, which carries a very potent type of minerals and vitamins that we need, and that helps with the immune system as well, on top of the sea moss. And I'm gonna use blueberries because of those wonderful antioxidants, and put a ton of spinach in because that's very important to get those veggies in, and it's all about the greens, right? And then I will put in my turmeric, ginger, because I've been on this kick with this coconut beverage, so non-dairy of course. And all of this is considered whole foods, plant-based. Let's get it. Yum. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it, guys. Don't forget that caregiving begins with you, and always keep searching for the perfect bite and balance.